PHAEYDE Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, may I ask what time I should arrive at the clinic for my hair transplantation procedure next week?
Please consult with the doctor who will be doing your procedure. Our clients usually arrive at the clinic between 7:30, 7:45. But of course, there may be exceptions. For example, if you are coming from far away, or only a few grafts will be implanted during your procedure, meaning that it will be shorter, you can come at 8:30. On the other hand, you can also get here earlier, around 7 if you have discussed it with your doctor.
Thank you so much for the information. Goodbye.
You're welcome. See you next week. Goodbye.
Welcome to our clinic. I hope you are feeling well.
Thank you, doctor. Yes, I'm fine, just a little nervous.
It's perfectly natural to be a little nervous, but you have nothing to worry about. Do you have any more questions before the procedure?
I have a few things I want to ask. How long is the hair transplantation going to take?
The procedure is usually carried out from the morning hours until early afternoon. First, we welcome the patient, then we cut their hair, after that we extract the grafts from the donor area, and in the afternoon we implant these into the target area. The length of the procedure depends foremost on the size of the area to be implanted, but also on which area of the scalp we are implanting. The hair whorl, located on the back of the top of the head, always takes longer because it is very important to get the angle right when working on the whorl to achieve natural looking results. And the hairline must always be implanted more densely than other areas, and the skin is more sensitive here as well, which also means we have to work a little slower. Generally, we finish up between 2 and 5 in the afternoon.
How many breaks will we take during the procedure?
In order for you, the patient, to have the most pleasant experience possible, and so that our doctors and nurses can rest a bit too, we take breaks every 2 hours. But there will be at least 3 breaks throughout the procedure, one in the mid-morning, a lunch break and an afternoon break. This way, the hair transplantation procedure is not too strenuous for anyone. It is important to us that our colleagues are fresh and able to concentrate. That is why we take breaks, allowing everyone to recharge and do their best when carrying out the procedure.
Can I smoke during the breaks?
We do not recommend that you smoke on the day of the procedure, and it would be a good idea to reduce your smoking to a minimum in the days before, as nicotine contracts the blood vessels, decreasing blood flow to the scalp. Cigarettes also decrease the bloodstream's ability to transport oxygen, which can prevent the scalp from healing properly, causing scarring and even infection. Unless you have any more questions, come with me and let's begin the procedure. If you would like to see similar content, subscribe. We hope to see you soon at PHAEYDE Hair Transplantation Clinic.